Oh my gosh, what's that?
What is that?
Joelle, what is that?
Orange chicken.
Orange chicken. You don't say.
I'm always eating Chinese, and I love orange chicken.
Y'all ain't had no chicken this orange, honey. I know that for sure.
Wait a minute. I'm scared.
Wow, this is so amazing.
What made that orange like that?
Orange food coloring will make orange chicken.
My phobia is cutting lettuce. I hate lettuce. Peeling it back. If I see the center little ball, I freak out.
What?
What is it about lettuce? Lettuce just chilling. It ain't doing nothing to nobody.
What Steve is trying to cut butter with a grater.
And you actually, Jesus, that hurts. I gotta stop touching the pot.
I'm gonna make the sauce. Chimichanga.
What was this sauce?
It's
What is it?
chimmy.
The password is chimichurri.
Chimchurri? Chimchanga.
Chumbawamba.
Chimchurri.
Chimichurri?
There it is.
Chim, chirm, chirm. You know when the dogs do this? Like, that's how I felt. I'm like, oh, what?
There we go. Oh, God.
When I'm in the kitchen, my mind is just kind of all over the place. Like if you just saw like things floating around, and whenever it gets kind of chaotic, I just like kind of recenter myself. That's how I process my emotions. I get it together.
These don't seem to be cooking well, and I about cooked it in that microwave.
Mashed potatoes.
And chicken cordon bleu, well, they kind of go hand in hand like that. The mashed potatoes did not turn out well, so I'm gonna try to beautify it with some cheese in hopes that they won't notice as much.
Is there something creamy in here? I just had something creamy on my something. It's really weird.
You see that right there?
Yeah, that's what it is, all right.
A little bit of some dirty shrimp.
The vein is full of what?
Poopy.
Poopy, right. And I just got a big fat mouthful of it. Thank you for that.
That's a no-no. You sure are pretty.
Did you make a cake or did you have like a cake from a box?
I made it. From scratch, flour, sugar, all that. Work smart, not hard, child.
Talk to me about this situation.
The nacho dip, I made the cheese from like American cheese, milk, and onions, bell peppers. Okay, so we're gonna have to go with that, honey. I don't give a damn if they roll the tape back, play it in front of me. It's all about telling a good lie.
This is quite a buffet of processed food.
Today's plate comes with a special gift.
Oh my God. That's the sound of my hopes and dreams disappearing.
It's so disturbing.
Oh my God, what are you doing? Put it down, put it down.
I'm looking at Steve. Steve is doing God knows what.
Get the ice.
Just
Okay.
over to this sink.
And do it.
What do you say when you go? What do you say?
Fire in the hole!
That's not what you say.
Hot stuff.
Go.
All right, these onions are burning.
Those onions are like charcoal.
All right, let's see what we did here. Who knows? They might like burnt onions.
Who knows what they like? So I have to focus just on the look of it.
For decoration.
One of my passions, I like to groom my poodles.
Oh boy, I'm not sure what she's doing now.
I can spend 2-3 hours just to make his face looking cute.
Okay, she's really touching it a lot.
The same thing, basically.
Very creative.
Oh, I'm going to put 2 bottoms.
Oh my God.
Some parts of your bacon is cooked, some parts are not.
So I thought you said you wanted everything medium rare, so I have cooked the bacon. Right? Right, I thought y'all said medium rare.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
I was saying I thought y'all wanted everything like medium rare, so that's why I cooked the bacon half done.
Have you cooked rice before?
Yes, I cook rice for my dog.
For your dog.
For my dog.
Just have to get it like my puppy would like it.
Hold on, so you don't eat it?
No, I don't eat rice. It's a carb.
Let's go, stay calm. Okay. Stay calm.
Vinaigrette.
Stay calm, stay calm.
I talk to myself a lot because I don't even know what I'm doing right now.
Close enough. That's it.
So our self-talk was good for her, but it was kind of disturbing me.
Here we go. It's close enough.
She's like, girl, would you be quiet?
Catch some seeds, baby. Drop them seeds. Ain't get no seeds in there. Let's go.
Be quiet, honey. I'm trying to focus.
How much mustard? Okay, here we go. Add mustard. Add mustard. Mustard. Pop, 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 pop.
She ain't listening to you. Get there alone.
Okay, whisk. Whisk gonna whisk. What's that?
Girl, stop. Oh, my Lord. Took everything in me besides grabbing that frying pan and think.
Well, let's start this tomato. My game plan is to do exactly what Anne did. Like that.
Steve.
Yes.
Did you blanch and chalk your tomato already?
No.
Go get another one.
It's like Anne's got this sixth sense. Is she a witch?
Kamarni.
The hardest part of everything for me.
And where's this go? In the pot or in the mix blender? I'll read it.
There's so many ingredients. There's so many processes.
Chat masala. Where's that one at?
This chutney thing is not my jam. Really?
Well, chutney is considered a type of jam, so.
Really?
We need to whisk the grits in slowly so they don't clump. I think it's called rimming, I don't know. Not rimming. I believe she said that. I could be wrong.
No, I'm just gonna leave that one right alone.
Ooh, I did not expect it to feel this way. I love you, Harry. Oh, my baby. This fish is Harry 4. Say hi, everybody. Harry number 4, because I had 3 goldfish named Harry number 1, Harry number 2, Harry number 3. So this is Harry number 4, and I think he's lucky because I'm on my 4th marriage. So 4, 4, 4.
4 seems to be a magical number for her.
And he's got nice big lips. I just love Harry. Ah, I kissed a fish.
Make pesto and then cook fish, and you guys are good.
Ooh, forgot to put the lid on.
Surgery time, so I'm ready to doctor up this fish. So I'm pretty comfortable with fishes. I've went fishing a few times, so.
All right, that's the incorrect knife.
Oh. Uh-oh. Got the right knife.
Joelle.
It is time for the big reveal.
Twirl, twirl.
You can walk a little bit faster, though. Thank you. Fish is salty.
Probably because it comes from the sea, so it's already salty.
Oh, girl, don't steal my line.
Oh.
You season high, but you drop it. So then you have these areas that have more salt right packed in the center, but I need it to go across the whole thing evenly.
Oh, okay. I promise if you keep me, just think about this. If you keep me, honey, I will stand on top of my station and sprinkle high.
These ginormous pieces of eggplant.
I like big inches. I don't know. No, I didn't mean it like that. Never mind.
Erica, you're up next.
She about to really get me because she looking at how much oil I have on this plate.
Okay. You have a deal with like the olive oil people?
I don't know what happened.
She greasy. Leona, come on up. Hello.
Hello.
All right. Wow. Are you together with Erica and the Olive Oil Consortium?
Oh, we're in the same lobbyist group.
It's time to go back out into the world and twirl my cares away.
That pork is dry.
Oh, crap.
I feel like I'm eating sand.
I like the flavor if I could actually just swallow the pork, you know?
Yeah.
Ooh, your girl cooking. I've started adding me some paprikas. I love paprika. Give you that little extra, little zump-da-dump.
A little bit extra what?
Zump-da-dump. It give you that little extra zump-da-dump. Like, when you taste it, you be like, woo.
Oh, what is going on?
Oh my God.
The pasta roll came up.
I said, let me make her a cocktail, honey. Hopefully this get her a little tipsy, honey. She like, oh, this is the best thing I done taste because of the alcohol, so we gonna go with that. She didn't teach that, and I learned that by myself, honey. This might give her diabetes, but hey.
Sirius is making a cocktail now. I'm okay with that, though.
I wish it was delivered right now.
Yeah, I don't have no hugs to give. I don't have nothing nice to say to anybody. Okay, red team, blue team, I hope none of y'all win and they donate the check to charity. I'm finished, honey. Y'all like what y'all saw. Y'all think I got a great personality. Bam, girl, bye. But this is where my journey ends with cooking, honey. I don't want to even see a damn kitchen again.
Hors d'oeuvre, I feel like that word would start with an O. I know it starts with an H. Silent letters, because it's classy. H-O-R-D-O. R-V. Hors d'oeuvre.
Since I'm in a deep frying mood, let's give this a try. Okay. Woo! I never fried capers. Woo!
What do you fry?
Capers. Oh, shit.
Zucchini noodle things.
Yes. Oh, that is so cool. This is a lasso.
All right, okay.
Woo!